Installing an E3.S middle drive. Attention! Drive connector orientation is different for the top side cooling drive and bottom side cooling drive. Make sure to follow the drive connector orientation guidance now shown. Install the drive into the drive cage. Fasten the 4 screws to secure the drive to the drive cage. Make sure the middle cold plates are installed in correct direction as shown. The TOP marking on the cold plate should be toward middle of the tray. If the gap pad on the top of the cold plate is damaged or missing, replace it. Align the tab on the drive cage with the slot on the E3.S middle drive cold plate. Insert the tab into the slot until they are hooked together. Fasten the 2 PH1 screws on the top of the drive cage. Connect the cable to the drive. Fasten the 2 PH1 screws on the front of the drive cage. Note: the screw locations are different for the bottom side cooling drive and top side cooling drive. Route the cables for the middle drives. Install the rear cross brace and then fasten the Phillips No. 1 screws to secure it. Install the tray cover.